Hi everyone, welcome to episode 4 of the Origami design series. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about tiling, another great way of thinking outside the box when designing origami. Or should I say, outside the square, huh? Get it? Because origami is made from a square? Whatever, let's just start. Tiling has many similarities to grafting, a design technique that I talked about in the last episode, which should be up here somewhere. In grafting, you add a strip of paper anywhere on the paper to form a crease pattern. And in tiling, you can use rectangles, squares, or even triangles and put them all together to form a crease pattern. So they both involve taking multiple sheets of paper and putting them together into a crease pattern. The squares, rectangles, and triangles represent bases that you can put together to form a crease pattern. It's almost like taking little mini crease patterns and then building them together to form a mega crease pattern. First you can try using classic bases like the kite, fish, frog, and bird base, that wasn't in order, and then you can try experimenting with other bases, like bases that someone else has made, or you could try making up your own. I've used this tiling technique in various different models, and yeah, it's awesome. For example, I used it in the husky and the sleeping bag, which is very popular. As you can see on the crease pattern, there is a large bird base in the corner, 2 smaller bird bases here and here, and there are 3 fish bases on the 3 remaining corners. I've also used the tiling technique on multiple other models like the octopus, dragon heads version 2 and 3, etc. One thing to keep in mind while tiling is that certain flaps might merge together. For example, if you're trying to make a 16 flat base, you might try putting, say, 4 bird bases together, right? A bird base has 4 flaps, 4 times 4 is 16. Easy, right? Well, no. In reality, if you put 4 bird bases together, it would form 9 large flaps because 5 of the flaps merge together, making 9 flaps instead of 16, unfortunately. Just something to keep in mind. Tiling is still a very useful tool no matter what you're designing. It lets you think of bases as puzzle pieces that you can put together to form a crease pattern. So here's something you can try. Try folding a bunch of different bases with various sizes and putting them together. Who knows? You might find your next origami design.